Hello everybody, my name is Brandon, this is Legendary Channel, and welcome to an exciting new following DLC livestream / recording. This will be a lot of fun. I'm wearing my Deadpool hoodie for good luck, so let's go and do this. Yeah. Creating game. Alrighty. Let's see where it goes. I did already, as you can see, I already kind of went into it just to see what I was getting myself into, because I kind of seen gameplay, but I wanted to make sure that I liked part of it before I did anything, so I had to completely redo, I completely redid a lot of things with it, so don't worry about it, it's all good now. Looks like the one-eyed man leaning his page told us the truth. There is a way out of Huron, and it really does lead to the countryside. What's more important is that in his fever he was mumbling that the locals don't turn even if they get bitten. Gotta verify that, especially since we're running out of antizin. Alright, so basically I got to this part and then I had no idea what the fuck I was doing, so I was like, you know what? This is beautiful, by the way. I think I'm supposed to drop down here. I think that's what happened when I've seen a YouTuber do it, but I don't remember, so I'm just gonna say fuck it. If I die, I die. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Hey, I made it. Alright, perfect. Awesome! Have this on for like if anyone joins my party chat. Hello, viewer! Alright. Do you have anything on you? No, you do not. Fucking hell. Okay. I guess I gotta go this way. That's fine. It's fine by me. Yeah. Hunting tower spotted. Spotted in the hunting tower. My thing's over my map. Hang on one second. There we go. Okay. I already have a comment. Really? Awesome. So now my map is a lot more visible. That's good. So I kind of want to see what that comment says, but I don't as well. Okay. I hope I'm going the right way. I don't fucking know. Oh god. This is gonna be fun. Can't remember where I got this machete, but I think it's a really shitty machete. Let's climb up this and see what happens. Is this a thing? Is this a thing? Got some duct tape, I can use that. Ooh, lockpick. Gotta pick them locks, bros. Gotta pick them locks, bros. And girls. Ow. Okay. That sucks. Fucking hell. Okay. I am horrible at lockpicking on this game. It's a good thing I got like a bunch of freaking lockpicks earlier in the game. Like, holy shit. Whoa, that looks pretty sick. For a flame stabber. Sweet! Oh yeah! Now we're getting somewhere. Hello, zombie! You're the first zombie I'm killing outside of Huron. You should feel honored. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh! Fucking hell. Over, what the fuck? Oh! Okay, well, I'll just go under. Okay. What's this kicking again?
The place looks occupied.
Get the fuck off me, you bitch! Oh, fucking hell. Oh, fucking hell. I'm dying. I am dying. I am dying right now. Oh, I'm fucked. I can't really tell where my health bar is. I don't know. Why did I do that?
What do you want? I need to talk to someone in charge. I'm from Haran.
Oh, you a smuggler? You work for that crook, huh?
Look, I don't know anything about any smuggling, pal. I'm here I need some help.
As for Jasir, but understand this. If you steal anything, you lose your hands.
I'll be right back. Real quick.
I just went away from him.
Well, fuck you. You can have your eye on me all you want. You're a bitch. You're a bitch, I say.
I did get Battlefield 4 for $23 on sale.
Nice. Just play that on PS4, right? Yeah, on PS4. Of course on PS4. What am I thinking? Yeah, well, we should play that. I have 4 on my PS4 as well. Find someone in charge. Okay, well, where the fuck do I go for that? You don't give me very good instructions, game. You fuckers. Okay, let's go inside. That's locked. Unspent skill points. What? Legend driver. Oh right, that's right. I forgot all about those. Let's see, ground pound or ground pound. Okay, so that's locked for whatever stupid reason. Yeah, what is one? Nope. Can't even bother. Sorry about that. I got a buddy coming over now, so. Anyway. Now let's.
Hi, excuse me.
I don't know anything.
Look, could you just tell me where to find someone who does know something?
Look for Jasir. He'll be inside the barn.
He'll be inside the barn. Well, I looked inside. Wait, can I look inside the barn? I don't fucking know.
Need something?
Are you the one in charge? I need some help.
Talk to Jasir.
Big bad Jasir. It's like this big bad badass, right? He's gonna try and murder me, isn't he?
Hey.
Blessed be the mother.
Huh? Listen, I just need some information.
I don't know anything. You should ask Jasir.
Okay. Where do I find him?
Inside. In the barn.
Thanks.
Inside, in the barn, murdering everybody. Because. Okay. He's in the barn, so I'm thinking this is the barn? No, this can't be the barn. This has to be something else. So where the fuck am I? The barn's this one, right? This has to be the barn. But I can't get into it. So where's the so-called barn that you so willingly speak of, you dumbasses? Is it? Is this the barn?
Not see him again. Do you hear me? I forbid it.
Father, please. Can't we talk about this?
No. End of discussion.
Fine. Fine.
Eski. Wait. Eski.
Hi. Are you just
I don't mean to interrupt. I'm looking for Jasir.
I am Jasir. But if you want food, we have only bread.
No, I don't need food. Listen, I'm from Haran, and I've come because I've heard that there are people here who are immune to the virus, that they don't turn, even if they get bitten.
Oh. And who told you this?
A dead man, I'm sorry to say.
You might as well keep listening to him. I'll tell you no more than he.
Why won't anybody help me? The virus is all over the city. People are dying.
And yet, you still live. Take some bread, my friend, and go back to Haran. No one wants you here.
You're kind of a douche. Just putting that out there. You still there, Matt?
Yeah. I was hearing you speak twice over yourself.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's...
Well, you know this is Crane. Do you copy?
Yeah. Saying it again, yeah.
Damn it, what a fucking wasteland.
Hey,
I don't know if
yeah,
it
you.
was...
Come
Yeah.
here. Come on, come closer. I won't bite.
And
Don't worry.
and
The rest of these loonies. Yeah, I'm talking about you, you nut jobs.
So you're not one of them? Then why aren't they trying to run you off?
Because I sell more shit than just bread. My name's Khan, by the way.
Kyle Crane.
Hey, you're from Haran, right? Bet you ran into my optically challenged buddy.
You mean the guy with an eye missing?
Yeah, that's the one. My boy Kurt. How's he doing?
Oh, yeah, he didn't make it.
Well, that's a damn shame. But, can't say I'm surprised.
Maybe you can help me. Kurt said the people out here are immune to the virus. You know anything about that?
Now that you mention it, I don't remember any of the locals actually turning. Fucking wackos. They're in a damn cult, led by some woman they call the Mother. Used to be just a harmless local tradition, you know? They weren't serious about it. Well, they're goddamn serious these days. Ever since the outbreak.
I talk with my
They scribble
hands.
symbols everywhere. Do these
Yeah,
fucking
he
rituals.
talks with his hand. He's like,
They even pray to her.
But what about this whole not turning thing? They on Antizin or what?
Listen, I'm short a man now. And since I'm an entrepreneur, let's do business. Partner up, you and me. Buying anything, friend? Freaks.
What partnership you have in mind?
Well, you need some information, and thanks to Kirk getting himself deceased, I need a driver with brains. I can show you something that might help you out, but we'll need to get some wheels first.
You want a vehicle out here? Where am I supposed to find that?
I'd look around the nearest farm, I were you. And hey, be discreet about it, all right?
so blow everything in my path up. Got it. Can do. Will do. I'm going to do right now. Oh my goodness. I am yawning. Why am I yawning? That's not good. I don't know to be yawning. Hi zombies. Hi zombs. I can't play today. I have important work to do. Bye bye. Oh god, I thought I was gonna fall there. It's auto slide, right? Yeah, okay, it was auto slide. Trying to remember all the controls while I'm doing all this crap. Up.
Oh, forgot to tell you. If you ain't got none, find yourself some weapons. The farm's abandoned outpost.
Wait, what? You forgot to tell me this?
Well, they weren't important at the moment. Fucking fleas, we just can't get rid of them. No structure, no walls, no night for business.
Go away. Go away.
We're off to a good start.
Don't be a drama queen.
Shit.
You can handle them? Listen, I gotta deal with some customers. Just give me a sign once you got the car.
Shit, I just tracked more, didn't I? Fucking hell. I forgot in this game you track more by shooting and making loud noises. This isn't like...
Oh, good job attracting more.
Yeah, I know, okay? Okay, don't pester me. Fucking all I hear in my ear go, good job, you're attracting more. Fuck you. Inventory full. Fuck you. Fuck you. No, not you. Not you. I mean, yes, you can go fuck yourself too. I'm just kidding, don't take that. Out of context, please. God. Drop that. Now I can grab this. Oh my god, that shield just came out of nowhere. Totally.
And your voice overlapping.
Oh, I thought I killed him. I'm being silent, stealthy, and sneaky into it. All that crap. That's a nice thought. What happens if I just try to do this all stealth-like? Will anyone spot me? Yes, they will. Fuck off.
Come on.
You bitch! Ow.
I can lose one's head.
That was an explosive. That could have been bad for me. Where's my light on? I don't know. I'm dying here. How's this shot? Oh god. Fucking hell. I'll be right back. So that just happened. No, don't get him. Fuck off. Seriously, fuck off. God damn it! I think I have ammo in it, but I'm not fucking sure. No, I have no fucking ammo. Ow. That basically gave me away. What's the eggs? Fucking hell.
You need a sniper.
Yeah, well, you can't really get one in this. I've never seen a sniper rifle in this game.
That would make more sense because you wouldn't have to be so damn close.
I know, right? What I need is a weapon that doesn't fucking suck. It's the only gun I have ammo left in it. Fucking hell, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Well, that was a smart idea, Brandon. You know, just jump right off that high height. Without any fucking pads or anything to break your fall. Real good. Real fucking good. 3 viewers, cool. Wait, did I just get ammo for like me? I think I did. Can't
So this is Dying Light, right?
Yeah. Awesome, I did. Hell. This is a strong ass weapon. So if I can use it to my advantage, then I make it to the best of my ability. You have any ammo on you? Yes, you did. Awesome. Give me that shit, bro. Give me that shit, bro. Inventory full. I'm here. I need ammo. What do you have? Nothing. I'll take that. Reload it. Oh, wait, you had something on it. And 5 more rifle ammo. Sweet! Thank you, you were actually useful. I'm sitting out of camera view there. There we go. I'd like to drink some vodka, please. No? Well, fuck you guys do. So, do these guys have anything useful? I don't know. See, I'm also recording this, so like anything missed, if anybody missed my live stream, then they can catch my I can catch it on the video. So either way, no one's missing much. I mean, I'm not gonna obviously put the entire video. I'm gonna cut it up, little bits, pieces. Oh, what the hell? Little bits and pieces here and there. Open. Guys. Metal parts. Forgot about the X button doing something. Matt, you still there?
Yeah, your voice is still going over and over each other.
Well, then why don't you like mute like me on PlayStation or something, and then you can hear me on through that. It'll be a delayed reaction, but it'll still be there.
There we go, I think I hear you.
Awesome. Cool though. Because this mic right here that I'm using right here, that's what I'm using to talk to you on PlayStation. This mic right here is being used for my recording. Yeah.
Yeah, apparently it was repeating what you were saying in the broadcast plus this.
Well, yeah, since you're watching the broadcast and you're in the same party as me, of course, you're gonna have that echo.
I don't think it was an echo, it was a complete overlap of everything was happening.
Overlap echo. I don't care. I don't care what you call it. It's something.
Like, yeah, I just
It's
killed that
some
guy,
bullshit.
and then 5 seconds later, I just killed that guy. I'm like,
You just fucking said that. Shut the fuck up. You know, it's like, you just said that you killed that guy. You don't need to repeat yourself, you dumb shit. And I'm like, yes I do. I need to repeat myself all the time. I need to repeat myself all the time. I didn't mean to drop that. What's with all the lockpicking stuff? Why do I have to lockpick everything?
I don't know. I'm better at it than you are.
Shut up.
I think I have maybe 200 lockpicks in Fallout 4. I haven't broken one yet.
I have no idea how many lockpicks I have, but I should probably get rid of Excalibur. It's kind of useless to me now. Doesn't really do anything. You know, yeah, I'm gonna get rid of it. I don't think I can sell it anyway, so it's gone. Bye. Bye, Excalibur. You're a bitch. Wait, why is there a waypoint? There we go. See, I'm checking everywhere because I want to make sure I get everything. Yeah, there's never been a sniper rifle in this game. Unless they added it in a DLC, I haven't seen one. God damn it.
Road transmission.
What?
I'm playing a road transmission.
Ah.
Battlefield 4.
I might come back for that. I don't know. Maybe. Anything
Yeah,
else? Yes. First aid right here.
I like it. I like the graphics.
Dying Light's got some nice graphics too.
Like you run
Or are you
through
talking about your
high
game?
grass, it actually looks like you're running through high grass.
Are you talking about the game you're playing, or?
Oh, damn. Yeah.
Okay. Now I gotta remember that, like, it's the lead. Okay. No, I didn't mean that. Ah, god dang it. So everyone that watches this from my recording is gonna be like, oh hey, look at that, you know? Got it. But everyone that's watching the live stream is like, ha, you're failing miserably a bunch of times. I mean, of course I'm gonna show in my recording that I'm failing, but I'm not gonna show like every single failure because that would just be kind of a boring video. Plus, I don't want to show that I'm that bad at this game.
Shit. Oh, damn it.
What?
I turned around and yelled behind me.
Damn.
I kept looking on the map, I'm like, where the hell is it? It's right behind me.
Dude, there's so much stuff to find. This place is so bountiful with loot. Though, if I could lockpick properly, that'd be great.
Yes. The dude laid down right in front of Guy's feet. What a fucking dopehead. The guy, they won't kill me, I'm laying on the ground. Yeah, we will. Still ain't gone anywhere.
Few lockpicks. Oh, so it was the top one all along.
Shit.
Oh. When all else fails, go fuck yourself, game. Let's see. Can I get rid of that I don't need? This has got no repairs left, no upgrades left, so I'm gonna get rid of that. I should just be dismantling this shit, shouldn't I?
Hey,
Yeah.
you might find it useful.
Why am I not dismantling this shit from the start?
Why don't you just head back and grab that weapon you had before that you dropped?
Eh.
The shield weapon, dismantle.
I'm not looking all over for that thing.
Oh, damn. I just survived the claymore.
Hey gate, can you open please? No? Okay. Yeah, like it says in the comment there, trolled by lockpicks. Thank you. You know the hardships I'm having right now. Oh, I love that comment. Favorited, copied, pasted, photoshopped, and I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm an idiot.
Yeah, I kind of figured that.
Hey, shut up. No one wants to hear from you, dude. Okay, I need to exit the video. Or, not the video. The game. The gate. Not the gate. Oh, the vehicle! For God's sakes. I speak English good. It's my native language and I can't fucking speak it.
You're Canadian.
Yes, and English is my native language. What's the point, boy?
They also speak French in Canada.
I don't know anything. I don't know any French words, so. Touché, salesman. There you go this way.
But I forgot.
I think
For
I
some
can go
fuck's
this way.
connection, I forgot.
Con, are you there? Con.
Con, you piece of shit. If you don't answer, I will murder your entire face. That makes sense. Shut up. God, I don't know what the comments are saying. I'm like... My computer's like over there, so I can't really see the comments. But at the same time, I'm like, I want to know! Tell me! Do you want to read my comments for me? Babushki!
Me?
Why are you running into people? I don't know.
You mean zombies?
Oh, those are zombies. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
You've seen me play Dying Light before. This is
I
a zombie
remember
game.
Dead Island Riptide, but I don't remember watching playing this.
No, I showed you Dying Light.
Man,
Come on, out. Out of the vehicle. Hold to upgrade vehicle. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! We can upgrade. Me like the upgrade. Okay, well, excuse me for drooling everywhere. And kind of spitting everywhere.
Fallout 4 had vehicles, that would be nice.
Would be.
At least like a go-kart or dune buggy or something.
Yeah.
Looking for Khan? He's gone. I guess they finally asked him to leave.
Asked him to leave, huh? What, at gunpoint?
Finally did what my father
Shit.
should have done a long time ago.
Can't jump over the damn ledge, really?
Nice and quiet around here, didn't
It's bullshit.
He didn't answer my question.
he? Of course I did.
Hello.
You're here for the same reason as us. Same reason the bandits won't leave us alone. And we're supposed to trust you?
There's gotta
Oh,
be something I
damn.
can do to convince you.
You don't have to convince me. I don't care. Show everyone else you're here to give.
Okay.
Not
I
just to
hate
take.
people who use sniper rifles in team deathmatch.
It's only if you can hear.
Kyle Kraneski. Can you give me some hints at
What's
least?
going on?
What do you guys need?
Okay.
I
Need to
suppose I
do.
can help you out. Just remember,
Yes.
you have to return a favor one day.
You got it.
Oh, I see. I see how it is, CD.
The groundwaters got polluted a while back. Imagine what would happen if you got our water running again.
Assume they're
I'm gonna bring my computer closer so then I can
Yes.
actually read the comments.
But it's in bandit territory. Several men
Just not really sure where I'm gonna put it, but oh, I know.
So I would recommend it. Unless you have a death
This.
pipeline.
Look at me dropping everything. I'm
You
not.
okay?
Oh yeah, I'm fine. Scratch. And you know, my thumb was torn off completely from my hand. It's fine. It's all good.
Didn't make as much of a mess as I thought it would.
No, right? It's very less bloody. Oh wait, there's the blood. There we go. You may want to call 911. Okay, there. Now I can see the comments because they're gonna be right there. My computer is right here now, so I can see every comment that's made to me by CDAP. So I can actually see it. Right, I need to do this. There we go. Okay, so that's doing that.
Shit.
I'm doing this.
Thanks for the hint, Eski. Yeah, but when you said they asked him to leave, you didn't mean the people who live around here, right?
No. These people never actually do anything. They couldn't get rid of Khan for months before. Why would they do it now?
Still dodging the
Damn, what
question.
the hell?
Still not sure if you deserve an answer.
Yeah, but kicking someone out of the community just because he was
Oh, no.
rude, isn't that a little bit cruel?
But there's only a
Damn
tiny
it.
wall between us and a swarm of bandits and zombies and who knows what else. One man's big mouth could be enough to tear this place apart.
And you're okay with that? Now, if he can't
Damn.
find shelter out there, he's a dead man.
Oh, come on. You're from the city.
No, I didn't want
You
to.
know
I didn't
people
leave the
like
party.
Khan,
Sure.
don't you? They always find a way to survive. He'd barter with a corpse if it meant he'd get away from trouble.
That's. I'm guessing that's for you, but anyway. So you're still giving me.
Point asking what you were arguing about with your father,
No point.
but still, you're the only one here speaking to me.
Well, I can understand their attitude, but I don't have to agree with their methods, do I?
So you guys would just rather see me gone?
Well, no. Look, people here have gotten used to someone taking care of them. All thanks to the mother and her servants.
Servants?
Just help the people, right? Do something spectacular. And soon enough you'll see for yourself.
All I just see on that screen is my head going, what? 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 They're trying trying to kill me all of them are trying to kill me, and I'm gonna run them all over, and I'm gonna die. Oh fuck, I'm gonna die again. Yes, I said again. I can't shoot him. I'll cause too much noise. This looks like a sick blade. Doesn't make any...
It looks like a saw more than anything.
Well, it is a saw. It's a yellow stripes handsaw. What? Why did that appear? Holler. Why did that... What is... I'm not going that way. Nope, 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 nope. Not doing it. Nope, not doing it. Not doing it, nope. Nope, nope, not doing it. Not doing it, nope, nope. Fuck this shit, I'm out! This is the vehicle. Hi! How are you doing? Just gonna make yourself comfortable, right? Yeah, of course you are. You know what? I can do what I want. Screw you. Yeah! Just make sure you're dead. Gotta make sure. Gotta make sure. I just killed your friend! That's all I did! I didn't do anything wrong! Like I said, you're zombies. Why... Seriously, can someone answer that question for me? Is it wrong to love killing zombies? Is that really a bad thing?
Come over here, friend. Every new customer is a blessing.
What about a curse? Can I kill you guys?
You're actually selling something out here?
Water, crystal clear, no diarrhea afterwards. Nice as if an angel stepped on your tongue, huh? 1 gallon for 10 pounds of food. We accept gold as well.
10 pounds of food for water? You can start
Thank you.
for air too?
Oh, we got us a haggler. Look down there, punk. See that? That's Roscoe. We turn hagglers over to him. Still want to haggle, huh? You hot dog. I might let you trade
Damn
your
it.
ride for some water.
Fuck you, asshole.
So be it. All right, boys.
You don't want to mess with me. I am Crane. I am the Crane motherfucker. I will murder all of you. Death comes for you all. Oh yeah, by the way, I will be doing another thing for Darksiders too. The whole like death comes for you all thing reminded me of that. Ah! So you're dead.
I've started another profile.
Did you give me any ammo? Yes, you did. Thank you. Thank you for your contribution. What do you got? What do you got? It's fuzzy on stream. My audio, actually, I will say my party chat audio is not very, it's kind of fuzzy. I will admit, it's kind of fuzzy on my end, too. I don't know if it's your microphone, or if it's mine, or what, but it's kind of fuzzy. It shouldn't be any big deal, though. Somebody was around here.
I can hear it.
What is with the armor? Free the hostage.
Jazir sent me.
Damn.
Well, Esky did. You're one of the 3 who got lost?
The only one left. I am Ali. They got thrown to that beast.
Hey, listen, Ali, this place has to be at least sort of operational. Otherwise, the bandits wouldn't have had any water.
The bandits have order here, but there is none at the farm.
Damn it, people move.
How do I do that? How do I do this? Do I just
Damn it.
activating stuff?
All right. Here goes nothing. Cross your fingers. If we did that right, in a couple of minutes there'll be water at the farm again.
Shit.
It's fucking ancient. If the pipes burst, we are all well and truly fucked.
I'll get the valve open. Where is it?
It's the shit out of me. All I know is it ain't here. Follow the pipeline. For fuck's sake, hurry. Go! I'll keep trying on this end. Go! And hurry!
Damn.
I can't open that. It sucks. Quest failed. Shit.
Go! I'll keep trying on this end. Go! And hurry!
Oh yeah, that's some kind of pumping station. The pipeline ends here.
Then look for the main bell, goddammit! All this fucking alarm won't shut up!
Come on. Come on. Oh, thank God. Oh my God.
Damn it.
Leave the basement. Well, not before I get, not without my treasures. I just did all that. I'm not leaving without looking through this whole entire place. Ooh, what's in here?
Ali, I got it. But the place was already flooded, so now what? We just wait?
There's a locker behind you.
What?
Locker.
So we're good?
Where?
Right next to the bank.
Yeah, this one I can't open.
Ah.
That's not a locker, by the way.
Oh, okay, well.
Shit.
For a stranger. You're alright for a stranger.
Mother is kind. Mother is kind.
What?
You don't even know what you just did to us. Our wells have been polluted for the last month, and people were getting sicker and sicker. Maybe I was wrong about you, stranger.
So, any chance you'll answer my question now? But then
Fucking
listen.
touchpad is sensitive for me. Never mind R2. I missed what he was saying. Dumbass. Think. I got my buddy over here, by the way. You can't see him because he's out of the picture, but yeah, you can see his hand.
Jazir and Haran, we're running out of antizin. I'm looking for anything that could save my friends. If you have anything.
Yes, stranger, we do. We have our faith and our prayers to the Mother.
Faith? I mean no disrespect, but you're telling me that prayers keep you from turning?
That's your problem. You lack faith, just like the other outsiders. We believe in the Mother, and she protects us. We have no need of antizin, or whatever you said.
Okay, well, is there any way I could maybe speak with this Mother?
She is sacred. She speaks only with those known as the Faceless. But maybe you could get them to notice you.
Hey!
If you do enough good for our community.
At this point, I'll take anything. So what kind of good are you looking for? What needs to be done around here?
You're serious about this? All right then. Me, I take care of this farm. And my friend Bilal keeps the gas station near town safe. Look around. We'll find more work than any one man could handle.
Level of trust. Volatile hives. Hives are volatile breeding grounds, and the court site is littered with them. If you destroy them, you'll decrease the volatile. Blah 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 blah. Anyway.
How long is this live stream on?
Live stream, I'm not sure how long that's gonna go, but the video itself, I'm gonna kill a few zombies.
Lena, can you hear me? Lena?
Glenn, are you okay? What's going on? You've got us all worried.
I'm fine, don't worry. But listen, your patient was right. There's this group here, and all of its members seem to be immune to the virus.
How is that possible?
I don't know. They're protected.
I can get back to the safe house.
Shaman type called the Mother. only communicates through her priests.
Crap.
People don't trust outsiders for shit.
Keep trying, but be careful.
Close. Five minutes until dawn. Awesome. What exactly do I do here? It says destroy the volatile hive, but I don't even know how the fuck I'm supposed to... That's the thing, isn't it?
Damn it. Oh,
This is a thing I have to do.
damn it.
How about no, 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 no. I'm gonna use camouflage. I'm gonna use camouflage. I need my camouflage. It's disgusting and gross, but I need my camouflage. It's over here. Looks like they were camping, and they got absolutely nothing. Racing trophy. Ooh, cool.
Shit.
Guess I gotta go through this way. That's fine. Use camouflage. Come on, use camouflage. Quick, 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 quick. Don't fuck with me. Don't fuck with me. Don't fuck with me. Don't fuck with me. Don't mess with me. Don't fuck with me. Don't fuck with me. Don't fuck with me. I have to make sure I stay in this camouflage. I don't want them killing me. Oh, you're a big guy, aren't you? See what this does to you. Oh god. You don't want any of this, buddy. Weapons are ineffective when you do it like this. Gotta fix it up. Gotta make it look all nice and pretty. So then you can chop all their faces off while you're doing all this. Crap, I gotta hurry this up. Look at all of them die. I guess so, yeah, it's better to, attack them at night right now, just because... Yeah, because of those guys! Oh, shish kebab! Oh, fudge nuggets! Oh, fiddlesticks! Oh, shit! I'm dead. I am dead. I'm gonna die. 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 Oh god, they know. They know I'm not zombie. They know I'm not one of them. They now know I'm not one of them. They know I am not one of them. I need to get out of here. How did I get out? How did I get into this mess? How do I get out of this? Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go, gotta go! I just went in circles, didn't I? Shit. I know which way I need to go now. I know which way I need to go. Shoot it faded.
Damn.
Shit! Oh fuck! I got it. I got it. I got it. It's all good. Oh crap! I don't got it. I don't got it. And I'm dead. God dang it! That's what I wanted. Oh girl. That's on fire. Ah! Nope. Nope. No. And over the fence we go. Perfect.
Roman, listen to my story, mister.
Yeah, I'm all ears.
It's a beautiful story about pride,
Oh shit.
prejudice, war, and peace.
Got it.
It
Yes.
starts in the olden days when people still were honest and true. And there were no...
God damn.
And he fell asleep. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna end this episode here. The live stream will go on for a little bit longer than the actual episode, but thank you all so much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Stay legendary, my friends, and peace off.